Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at the rm command for removing files and directories. Let's go straight into that. So in my current directory I have let me just list that. I've got directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, file 1 up to 4. And if you want to remove something with the rm tool, it's pretty straightforward, and I'll have something to say about that in a minute. So if I go ls, you can see file 1, we can get rm file maybe 1. Let's iterate through that. File 1. And if I list what we have, ls minus just l for long form, so we can see the list, you can see file 1 is gone. Now, this file is gone forever. So this is one of the first thing I want to talk about, the rm tool, possibly the most destructive tool on your system if used incorrectly. You will need to remove files from your system from time to time, but bear in mind, once you remove a file, it's gone. So never point this at any file that is of importance, because that file is gone. There are lots of pranks online where people inadvertently try to get you to execute an rm command on your system, pointing at essential system files. That file is gone. So bear that in mind. Now, one of the dangers with this file, not just with rm, but most, if not all, the command line tools do allow you to use wildcards in your command line. And wildcards are quite useful, but can also be very dangerous. For example, I have a number of files that are prefixed with the word file followed by a number. If I want to delete all the files in this directory, it's as simple as going rm file, now not directory, file, and followed by what I call a wildcard. That star is a placeholder for any characters that follows a file name. The start begins with the word file. So in this case, if I should run this command, all those 3 files will be removed. Let's enter on that. As you see, they're all gone, and that's the danger. You can remove multiple files, lots of essential files, forever. It's gone. Now let's try removing a directory. rm, there 1, and enter. As you see, by default, rm doesn't allow you to remove a directory without the specific flag. Because directories are recursive, you need to pass a -r option, which is going to allow you to delete it recursively. So -r, come on, there 1. Let's have a look. Now, as you see, that's gone. So that's the rm tool in summary, primarily for removing files or directories or unlinking files or directories. Also, if you want more information on all the various options you could pass in to prevent you from deleting files that you shouldn't, you can, as usual, jump in and go man rm, and you can see lots of options that you can pass in. Have a read through this just to familiarize yourself with all the dangers and all the capabilities at your fingertip. And thank you for watching. That's the rm in summary, and please use it wisely. As I said, it's the most destructive tool. Things that are removed, it's usually difficult or impossible to recover. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Good.